Hello everybody, today will be the first tutorial video in VBScripts. Now, to make a VBS script, create any file you want. I just usually do text documents. I think that has gone on to my other screen since it is your screen. And just rename it. Rename it whatever you want, dot VBS. And sometimes it comes up with this prompt. If you say no, that's basically, I don't want it to have a chance to become unusable, even though, as far as I know, turning TXT files to VBS files doesn't make it unusable. But basically say yes, it just changes it. Maybe it's becoming an example 2.vbs, and I don't see an example 1. Whatever, I've made a couple of VBS things before. But anyways, in this video, I will be showing you how to code VBScripts. Hold on, let me just open this. It's on the other screen, of course. Now go into Open With, use Notepad, and then the file should, everything inside this VBS script file will appear. It is a VBS script file. So basically, today we'll be talking about message boxes. To do a message box, just do this. Now, it will come up with this prompt, because we haven't told it what to put in this message box. So put a pair of inverted commas or speech marks, whatever you call them, and then put in what you want to write. Say example or example text here. Save. And now let's write it. It does this. Let's hit OK. Now, hold on, let's have another look at this. See how the only option is OK? We can change it. There are 4 options that I know of. VB OK only, VB OK, VB how do you spell retry? Retry, abort, whatever the other one was. Yeah, it doesn't work. Retry, abort, and whatever, I'll figure it out and then say it in the next VBS tutorial videos. And VBS no. Now let's do VBS. Oh wait, I didn't save it for the other one. Let's see if no, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see what yes no does. By name you would probably know, but yeah, the 2 options are yes and no. So let's do no. It did nothing. So first off, before I go on to the next line of code I'm gonna do in this video tutorial thing, let me just talk about one last thing in this message box, one last setting that we can change. Now this will basically be the name of the prompt that opens up. So say from YouTube. Actually, let's put space there. And now let's have a look at it. This from YouTube here, and this should say from YouTube. Now, let's hit no. Yet again, it doesn't do anything. So, next line of code, we can do message box. You hit no. And basically, hit no. This prompt appears, they're all appearing on my other monitor. You hit no. So let's run it again, but hit yes. You hit no still appears. So to change that, we basically have to use variables. Now to make a variable is insanely easy. Just do your name of a variable, that's not how we spell variable, and then equals, and then say like a message box or input box, which is what we'll be talking about in the next video, so don't worry about input boxes. Now, if we do something equals message box or input box, the settings for that message box / input box has to be in brackets. These are brackets, right? Well, I'm sure that's what they're called. The curly brackets, yeah. And now, hit no. This still appears, but let's change this from you hit no to that variable we put before. And save. Now this is basically an easy way to know what yes's result number is and no's result number. So if we hit yes, whatever yes is, like, every option basically has this like code thing or like a number associated with it. And basically what we're doing here is it will get the option we choose, and then it will display the number because we want the message box to display it. And then we say no, it comes up with 7, which that's what no is. And now, however, if we don't change anything, yet put yes, we get, oops, where is it? We get 6 because that is yes. Now, let's set this back to you hit no, but let's do if variable, however you spell it, equals 6. So if it equals yes, it will display that message box. That's what they're saying. If variable equals 6, message box, you hit no. Oh wait, I already said it. Ooh, expected then. If variable equals 6, then message box. Okay, now it works. Now, say we hit no, nothing appeared on my other monitor. Oops, I accidentally. So no, there's nothing to drag here except the other one that I opened because I accidentally opened too. However, if we hit yes, this appears. So let's change this to 7, which we learned from that quick experiment earlier, means no. Now, if we hit yes, nothing appears, and if we hit no, this appears. So that's basically it for this video. It's already like 9 minutes long. I don't think I'll have to do editing, so as soon as this is finished recording, which it will be in a minute, I just gotta build out stuff, I guess. It'll be published. It'll be uploaded. I will try to upload it to YouTube, which hopefully it will let me do. So basically, yeah, this is it. So variable equals message box, this is, yeah. And if variable equals 7, which is which 7 equals no, then message box you hit no will appear. That's basically what's going on. And then comma VB OK only, which basically means it will only have OK as an option. And if you want OK and cancel, you just don't put OK only and you just put OK. I'll show you. It's this, no, it's OK and cancel. However, if we put only, it's only OK. And as the name implies, so I'm going to just hit no on the other screen and you hit no. Okay. And then the name of it, I guess we'll just do from YouTube again. And since this isn't something equals message box, we don't have to put in these curly brackets. Save. And now it says from YouTube, we hit no, it says from YouTube. So that is my tutorial video on how to code message boxes in VBScripts. Hope everybody at home has a good time. Bye bye!